Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello,
I am Marios. This is Teris.
and I'm Panagiotis.
Right. Alright. So, today we are going to show you a video on how to cook souvlakia or kebab.
Souvlakia is the traditional food of Cyprus. Souvlakia is usually cooked on Sundays and celebrations. So first of all, you must buy meat, boil the meat, and stick it on the chisel.
So, this, ladies and gentlemen, is a chisel. This is meat. This is meat. And so, you pass the chisel and the lemon, and then on meat. And so here you have chisel full of meat, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is a souvlakia.
Here we have all the equipment we need to cook souvlakia. This here is the model. This is the chisel. And this here is the fugu, as it's called in Greek, or the grill.
So, after you have put your meat and stick it on the chisels, you have to light up your charcoals in order for the meat to be cooked. Okay?
The meat has to be on the grill for about 45 minutes perhaps.
Many Cypriots have the bad habit to eat souvlakia
While they're still making them.
so in the end there is no souvlakia
Left.
usually eat souvlakia with beer
Tomatoes and cucumber.
and with chips and fries, which we do not have here today. Moreover, this thing here is called pita. It's a kind of bread where we usually place souvlakia in here. So that was the end of our video. We'd like to thank you for your attention and to congratulate you because now you know how to cook souvlakia, ladies and gentlemen.
Bye.
So goodbye from Cyprus.